Hello everyone, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this very delicious, super crunchy, flavorful chicken tacos. This is a baked chicken tacos. This is my family's favorite tacos recipe, and this is also good for Taco Tuesday. So we try to make this every Tuesday or on weekend, or if we have guests, this is a perfect recipe that you can make. It's super quick and super easy. For the list of ingredients, please check out the description box. What I have here is a rotisserie chicken. I got this at Costco, but you can make your own chicken meat. I like this one because again, we're making a quick and easy chicken tacos, baked chicken tacos. So I'm just gonna pre-slice all that meat, and I'm gonna cut this into cubes. Again, you could also do this the way how you want it. You could shred this meat. This meat is easy to work on because it's a rotisserie chicken, so you could either shred it or slice it into cubes. But again, this is really up to you. Also, I didn't include the chicken skin, as you could see. I don't like that chicken skin on my tacos, but again, this is up to your preference. It's really up to you. So just cut that into tiny cubes, and that should be good to go. And now I have here is a sharp cheddar cheese. I'm using a Longhorn cheese, but you could use any sharp cheddar cheese. And also some taco shells. We like our tacos crispy, so we're using a crispy taco shells. We're just so lucky that we have a store that will make taco shells for us, a fresh taco shells, but you could make your own taco shells. And just top that with cheese. You could be generous with the meat, that's really up to you. I like to put a lot of space. So that's why I don't put a whole lot of meat, because I have still had to put some garnish on top of it. So I think I'm just using like a quarter of the space of the taco shells, so I have space for my garnish. So that's all you need to do is load the chicken tacos, the taco shells, with the meat, and top it with the cheese. Make sure your oven is preheated on 350 degrees. You are going to bake this for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is completely melted. And then after that, you are going to broil this for 2 minutes, but keep an eye on it because broiling could easily burn your tacos. So just broil it until the outside of the taco starts getting like darker brown. The cheese will add a lot of flavor to this tacos. And you pop this in the oven, let it bake until the cheese melted. So here's our garnish. I have shredded lettuce, some lime, tomatoes, onions, green onions, and some salsa from Costco again, and some sour cream. You could make your own garnish, that's really up to you. You could put also a cilantro, but I don't really care too much for cilantro, and so is my fam bam, so we don't have cilantro in here. But again, this is really up to you. You could be creative. The best part here is the avocados. I think a good tacos should have avocado, should top with avocados. I just slice these avocados into cubes. Again, this is really up to you how you want to slice your garnish. I slice mine into tiny cubes just like this. And then I'm gonna keep this in the fridge. First, squeeze with the lemon or a lime juice to keep the freshness of the avocado, just like what I'm doing right here. And then cover it with the Ziploc or a plastic wrap, and keep this in the fridge until your tacos are ready. Just like this. I think we all know those tricks already to preserve the avocados. And here's my salsa. This is an organic salsa from Costco. I really love this, but if you can make your own fresh salsa, might as well go ahead. That's my daughter's hands right there. She likes eating fresh lettuce, so excuse it. And there is our baked chicken tacos. As you can see, the outer side of it is golden brown. That makes, because I broiled this for about 2 minutes. This is ready. See how quick it is to make a baked crispy chicken tacos? It's really good and it smells so good, guys. So now I'm just gonna, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do a little presentation right here. So I have 3 chicken tacos, baked chicken tacos, and I'm just gonna top that first with lettuce, shredded lettuce. Again, you could use as much, I mean, you could eat this as is, but I like to put some garnish on mine. But just eating it by itself, the chicken and the cheese and this crispy shells, it's really, really good. All you have to do is top it with salsa and that's it. But again, for the sake of the video, I'm trying to show you how we kind of use it, serve it with garnish. So that's white onions. If you don't like onions, skip it. And of course, tomatoes. Who don't like tomatoes? Top it with tomatoes. Just like that. This is how my husband likes it, so this is actually for him. And just top it with a little bit of green onions, just to pop that color. Add more colors to your tacos. There you go. And don't forget the lemon, or the lime, sorry. Put the lime on the side, just like that. And this is good to go. All you have to do is tap it with the avocados. Now I put the avocados at the very last because the avocados tend to change the color right away. So that will be my very last topping when I'm ready to serve this crispy chicken tacos, baked chicken tacos. So there you go. That is good to go. See how pretty that is, and it's actually delicious, guys. This is very quick and easy chicken taco recipe. I call this a supreme baked chicken tacos. So let me show you. Let me just try to show you how I eat this tacos, but I didn't really take a video myself eating it. So this is how far we could go right here. Just tap it with a salsa. I wasn't able to keep the audio on because the bird was just singing out loud, so you can't really hear how crispy the tacos is, but it was really crispy. So there is the tacos. As you can see, it's very good. It's very delicious. Oh my gosh, it is really a good chicken tacos. My family love this. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this video. I hope this inspires you to make chicken tacos. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification if you want to see more of us. Until next time, ciao!